What's up, investors? It's David here with Money Buff, and today we're going to be talking about the well-known stock brokerage app Robinhood and 5 tips on how to be a successful investor. Starting at number 1 is utilizing Robinhood's portfolio diversity page. This page allows you to see the percentages of stocks in which you invest in. As you can see from my page, I'm invested in 69% stocks, 22% ETFs, and 9% crypto. Now, if you've seen any of my other videos, you know that I preach 80% stocks, 20% bonds. Well, Robinhood doesn't have a great selection of bonds, so in its place, I've used ETFs, or exchange trade funds, which if you want to learn more about, you can click right in this video up here. Scrolling down the page, we see even more percentages of the industries that we're involved in. Now that I have selected the individual stocks that I am comfortable with and I am happy with, the next time I buy a stock, it's going to be within the industry of the lowest percentage. In this case, business. I'll continue buying stocks this way until I've just about evened out my portfolio. The reason that this is so important, if the finance industry were to take a crash and burn, that's almost 25% of my entire investments gone. The more diverse your portfolio is, the safer your money is. Tip number 2, look for stocks that offer dividends. Dividends is the money that companies give back to their investors. The more you're invested, the more dividends you receive. Depending on the company, you'll receive your dividends every 3 to 4 times a year. On the bottom right hand side, you could see 3 letters DIV, which stands for dividend. The number you see there is the percentage that you'll receive. If your stock is $100 and the number you see is 3.1, you'll be receiving $3.10 as a part of your dividend. This is free money that you can do whatever you want with, cash out or reinvest. Tip number 3 is to keep up with the news of your stock or the news of new stocks that you may be investing in. Robinhood provides us with current day articles about things that are going on within the company or within the industry. These articles are helpful in letting us know whether we want to buy, sell, or hold on to our stocks. The more informed you are on your company, your stock, your ETF, or crypto, the better choices we'll be able to make while investing. Tip number 4, which is easier said than done, is to invest without emotion. When I first started, I can't tell you how many times I saw my stock tank and I sold it within the next day, and in a week, it was back up to even more than what I had bought it for. Remember, if you're looking to create an asset, you're gonna wanna be in it for the long haul. So research your stock, make sure it has dividends, make the purchase, and hold. I know it can be very hard to keep your emotions out of money, but in this case, you're more than likely to benefit. Remember, stocks don't care about your feelings. And the last tip to successful investing is to remember to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss a video, you never miss any investing advice, and you continue to make your money grow. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any questions at all, you want me to go more in depth on this, leave a comment below, let me know your suggestions, and I'll make sure to get back to you guys as soon as possible. Thank you everybody who's been supporting me and watching these videos. I hope they help you guys out. Money Buff out.